so we started our AI council using the principles outlined by the Marketing Institute as our basis. From there, we took a step back and said, what are the considerations that we need to keep in mind on how we get organized around our AI council that are important to ICR? And so one of the things that is a little different about our AI council from others I've heard about is that we've had executive and board buy-in from day one. And so our exec team was really encouraging us to not only form an AI council that would look at the immediate use cases and formulate a short-term roadmap for the company, but also think longer term, think about innovation and think about how generative AI could really fuel our growth. The other consideration was how could generative AI be an enabler of our team? From day one, when we started talking about generative AI, our executive team said, our people are our most important resource. And generative AI, when we consider how to implement it, needs to be implemented in a way that is empowering to our people and is a co-pilot. This is augmenting human intelligence, not replacing human intelligence in any way. Um, Obviously, the use cases also needed to be very strategic, where we could see immediate lift for both our team and our clients as we were assessing how to implement generative AI, what use cases to prioritize, which teams to prioritize pilots with. And then based on how we're organized and based on the fact that we have all of the different service groups as well as the sectors, we needed to make sure that our group was inclusive and diverse and represented all of ICR, including corporate services. So the task force had to reflect ICR so that we were truly capturing all of the potential use cases and how we could implement generative AI within ICR. The other thing is we didn't want to dampen experimentation and learning. We really wanted to encourage our team to be trying generative AI tools. And so one of the first things we were asked to do was to develop guidelines and guardrails that were communicated company-wide on how to conduct responsible experimentation and learning through generative AI tools.